Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of necklaces and your necklace choker for you. And I hope that you like this beautiful video as well. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing all videos. And please watch this beautiful video of my channel Best Jewel Collection till the end. So friends, it's a very new collection, and if you don't want to miss any fashion of my channel and any video, so please press the bell icon to see my fashion uploads earlier and to see more about fashion ideas daily. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and please take care of yourself and your family as well. Please guys, watch this video till the end and you can purchase them from anywhere, whether you're going in a market or any type of shop or any casual event, so you can purchase in cheap prices as well. It's up to you that how could you purchase and how could you wear these type of necklaces and choker necklaces. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. As I've told you that it's a very new video of your choker necklaces and your necklaces. So guys, this video is for bridal as well. If you're going in a wedding ceremony or if you're attending any type of function like any mayo or a mehendi function, so you can wear these type of necklaces as well. So it's up to you that how could you purchase and how could you wear. And please obey your parents and elders also if you want a successful and a very beautiful life to spend. And as I've told you that it's a very new collection, so if you are interested in my video and if you are enjoying this fashion video, then tell me in the comment box and subscribe to my channel. And please share this video with your friends and with your family members as well. And please share this video with your relatives and with your friends. And take care of yourself and your family and keep watching my videos. As always, you are watching my videos like this and you are supporting me. Thank you so much guys. I hope that next time you will also support me. You will also like my all videos as well. So please subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you want to see any other type of fashion video, like any type of fashion jewelry accessories, so you can just tell me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you. And I hope that you like that fashion video too. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family, and for more new updates and for more new fashion updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So take care of yourself and your family as well. Hope to see you soon inshallah with a new video and with a new fashion. Okay, Allah Hafiz guys, see you soon with a new video. Bye, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.